Guidelines for replacing steel wire rope for SH-G6822-W1. Remove the protective cover bolts. Pull the counterweight head upwards and fix it with a pin. Remove one end terminal of the steel wire rope and take out the steel wire rope. Unscrew the nut of the counterweight adjustment rod connected to the steel wire rope. Install the replaced steel wire rope and thread it through the pulley. The steel wire rope passes through the pulley of the swing frame. The wire rope terminal is fixed in the slot. Connect the other end to the adjustment rod. Lock nut. Install the locking bolt of the inner protective cover. Reinstall the protective cover locking bolt.